How to hide birthday on Snapchat. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow this step. Open up Snapchat, and after opening up Snapchat you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, head over to your profile in the top left. Tap on your Bitmoji icon to open up your profile page. Now from here, head over to the settings at the top, and your settings opens up. Now from settings, select the option called birthday. After doing so, here under your birth date, you will be finding a birthday party option. So if you want to hide your birthday party, what you're gonna do is, if you have checked mark this option like this, all you gotta do is simply uncheck. And once that is done, it may take about an hour to take the effect, and your birthday should be hidden from your profile. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to hide your birthday from Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.